Good morning, YouTube. What is up, guys? Today we are doing diff21. Let's do it. Python. So I guess it says given an int n, return the absolute difference between n and 21, except return the double of the absolute difference if n is over 21. That's interesting. Okay. So just like any problem, let's just go over these test cases. So if n is over 21, then we return double the absolute difference. An absolute difference is just saying, like 19 minus 21, the absolute difference of that is positive 2. Absolute difference will always give you a positive result, right? Or a 0, a non-negative number, I should say. So you won't get anything negative. So first we check 19. Is it greater than 21? No, it is not. So given an int n, return the absolute difference between n and 21. So it's 19 minus 21, which is negative 2. And then the absolute difference of absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2. So I'll return 2. Now we check for 10. Is it greater than or equal to 21? No, it is not. So all we do is 10 minus 21. That's negative 11. Absolute value of negative 11 is positive 11, right? Just make that negative sign a positive sign. Then we take 21. Is it greater than 21? 21 is not greater than 21, but you could say greater than or equal to, really, because you can't get a negative or positive 0. So 21 is greater than 21? Nope. Right? So 21 minus 21, that's 0. You can't really say negative 0 or positive 0, so the absolute value of 0 is always going to be, and you guessed it, it's 0. So that should be our result value. They should have maybe put something like 22. Just to say that the value should not be 1, right? 22 minus 21. It shouldn't be 1, it should be double the absolute difference. So 20, if you say diff21 and n here, if that's 22, then the result should be 20. It should be 2, the number 2. All right, so let's code it up. First, we have an if condition. If, do this. If that, do this. Otherwise, do this, right? If n is greater than 21. What happens if n is greater than 21? We return the double absolute difference, right? So you do 2 return, right? Because that's what we're returning. 2 times the absolute difference. So we say abs. And then we take n minus 21. You could have also said 21 minus n minus 21, and 21 minus n are really the same thing when you're taking the absolute value of it. But we return double of it if it's greater than 21. Otherwise, or just one word, else, right? Return just this, absolute value of n minus 21, right? Absolute difference, right? Abs stands for absolute. It's a built-in function. It takes in a negative number, makes it positive, takes in a positive number, keeps it as is, right? Just making sure everything's positive. Just like this channel, hopefully. So wrap an absolute value around that value and you'll get something positive or non-negative, right? Perfecto. Okay, sounds good. I hope you guys enjoyed that solution. Take care and hasta la vista, baby.